Did you know that some vegetables can have as much sugar as a small piece of chocolate? While we often think of veggies as the ultimate health food, not all are created equal when it comes to sugar content. In fact, the average American consumes over 17 teaspoons of added sugar per day, and even our beloved vegetables can contribute more than we realize. So, which vegetables are truly low in sugar, and how can you make the smartest choices for your health? Do you think you can guess the lowest sugar veggie on our list today? Let's dig into the facts about low sugar vegetables and why they're essential for a healthy, balanced diet, especially if you're watching your sugar intake. First, let's talk about why low sugar vegetables matter. For people managing diabetes, prediabetes, or those simply looking to maintain steady energy and avoid sugar spikes, knowing which veggies are lowest in sugar can make a huge difference. Even if you're not counting carbs, keeping your sugar intake low can help with weight management, reduce the risk of chronic disease, and support overall well-being. Yet, many of us assume that all vegetables are naturally low in sugar. The truth is, some vegetables, like sweet corn, beets, and carrots, contain more sugar than you might expect. While these are still healthy in moderation, if you're aiming to minimize sugar, it's important to know your options. A common misconception is that vegetable automatically means low sugar. But in reality, starchy vegetables, think potatoes, peas, and winter squash, can be surprisingly high in natural sugars and carbohydrates. This makes choosing the right veggies a bit of a challenge for anyone trying to cut back on sugar. So, how can you enjoy a veggie-rich diet without the sugar overload? It all starts with knowing the best choices. Let's dive into some of the best low-sugar vegetables you should be adding to your meals. First up, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and lettuce are all incredibly low in sugar, less than a gram per cup in most cases. Not only do these greens add bulk and nutrients to your salads, smoothies, and sandwiches, but they're also packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with fiber and antioxidants. Try tossing a handful of spinach into your morning omelet, blending kale into a green smoothie, or layering Swiss chard into a veggie lasagna for an easy, low-sugar boost. Next, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are all part of this powerhouse family, and they're impressively low in sugar. For example, a cup of raw broccoli contains less than 2 grams of sugar, while cauliflower has just over 1 gram. These veggies are not only versatile and delicious, but they're also loaded with fiber, vitamin C, and cancer-fighting compounds known as glucosinolates. Roasted Brussels sprouts, cauliflower rice, or a simple broccoli stir-fry are tasty ways to enjoy these low-sugar options. Another excellent choice, cucumbers. With just 1.7 grams of sugar per cup, cucumbers are hydrating, crisp, and perfect for snacking. Slice them up for salads, use them as a base for veggie dips, or add them to your water for a refreshing twist. Their high water content makes them ideal for staying hydrated and feeling full with minimal calories or sugar. Don't overlook zucchini and summer squash. Each has under 2 grams of sugar per cup. These squash varieties are incredibly versatile. You can spiralize them into zoodles as a pasta substitute, grill them for a smoky flavor, or bake them into casseroles and breads. They're also rich in vitamin A and potassium, supporting eye health and heart function. Celery is another unsung hero in the low-sugar vegetable world. With less than 1 gram of sugar per cup, celery adds crunch and fiber to your meals without spiking your blood sugar. Pair it with nut butter for a filling snack, chop it into salads, or use it as a flavor base for soups and stews. Now, let's take a look at asparagus. A cup of cooked asparagus contains just 1.3 grams of sugar. Plus, it's full of folate, iron, and vitamin K, making it a nutrient-dense addition to any plate. Asparagus is delicious roasted with a drizzle of olive oil, tossed into frittatas, or blended into creamy soups. Radishes are another fantastic pick for low-sugar diets. These crunchy, peppery veggies have just 1.9 grams of sugar per cup. Slice them into salads, pickle them for a tangy side, or enjoy them as a fresh, crisp snack. Radishes are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, supporting immune health and reducing inflammation. But what about the most surprising low-sugar vegetable? Drumroll, please. Mushrooms. That's right. Mushrooms are actually fungi, but they're often grouped with vegetables in cooking. With less than 1 gram of sugar per cup, mushrooms are incredibly low in sugar and calories, yet they deliver a savory umami flavor that can elevate any dish. Plus, mushrooms are a source of vitamin D, potassium, and immune-boosting compounds called beta-glucans. Sauté them as a side dish, add them to stir-fries, or blend them into sauces for a hearty, healthy boost. Their versatility makes them a fantastic option for anyone looking to cut back on sugar without sacrificing flavor. To recap, incorporating low-sugar vegetables like leafy greens, cruciferous veggies, cucumbers, zucchini, celery, asparagus, radishes, and mushrooms into your meals can help you manage your sugar intake, maintain a healthy weight, and support long-term health. These vegetables are not only low in sugar, but they're also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that fuel your body and keep you feeling satisfied. Remember, eating a variety of colorful, low-sugar vegetables is one of the simplest ways to boost your nutrition and keep your meals interesting. Whether you're roasting, steaming, grilling, or enjoying them raw, these veggies can be the foundation of a delicious, fulfilling, and health-conscious diet. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about smart food choices, don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Together, we'll keep making healthy eating easy, delicious, and fun.